Hello everyone, this is Sheshe, and today I'm coming on to do an update to my alphabet punch board super cute bow video. The bows I'm making today look like this. Really cute. So what you will need to make these bows is a strip of cardstock cut at 5 inches by 1 inches. You'll need 2 strips cut at 1 inches by 3 inches. So this is for the bottom and the top. Alright, now here's some tips that I didn't share in my original video because I was just figuring out how to punch a bow. What I would recommend for this bottom flag tail part of the bow is draw a line right here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see right here, because we're only using that punch. So you can use a marker or pencil. It would just help you in making your punches just for this part of the bow. Okay, so if you feel more comfortable using a pencil so you can erase it, then do so. I used a marker because this is my board and I don't plan on selling it or anything. Alright, so I'm going to get started. I'm going to first do the bows for the bottom. It goes really fast when you have that line there. So just give it a punch, flip it or rotate it. It's up to you. Just line it up. And then that way it's right smack in the middle and you have it even. So I'm going to do the second one. Same thing. Okay. Then rotate it or flip it. It's up to you. Line it up with that little line I drew. Okay, and then when you get to this part, you just slide it into these little 2 circles right here. It's a guide, and it'll be even, so you can make sure that it's in the 2 lines, and you just hold it and make sure that it's steady when you punch, and then it'll be okay. Goes really fast. Okay, so I'll do the second one. Alright, so I got the 2 punched. Okay, I'm going to zoom in so you can see where I'm punching. When you get to this part of the bow, you're going to slide in your cardstock right here at this corner. Give it a punch like so. Flip it. Punch it again. You can rotate it if you wish. This is what you have. When you're punching the sides, you're going to slide it in right where this line is, where the circle is. Slide it in. Okay, and then you can hold it with your thumb over here so it doesn't shift. Give it a punch. Flip it again. Line it up with that line again in the circle. Punch it again. Then you turn it so you get the other side. Line it up with the circle and the line. Slide it in. Hold it with your thumb on this side right here. Punch it. Okay. Flip it again. Line it up with the circle. Slide it in. And punch it again. Okay, and that's what you get. Okay, so I'm going to take the board away. We do not need it. Now, I'm going to zoom out Okay, now before I told you to cut off these two ends. This is where I'm going to tell you to actually just cut this part and this part like that, and then you're going to snip in like so and snip in like that. Okay, and we're going to turn it and do the same thing over here and just cut it down a little bit more so that when you're gluing your two ends together, and you can get something to curl your bow. So when you're gluing your two ends, you have something to glue in the middle like that. So that's why you need this little end. And I didn't think about that before when I did my original tutorial, but I think it is necessary. So just put a little bit of glue on those two ends. Just like that, and hold it until it dries. Now I have one that's already dry to save some time. I can set this one aside to dry a little bit more, but to keep this tutorial going, this one's dry, and I have these already done. So I'm just going to put some glue in the middle. And press that down so that'll dry. And then to do the bottom portion of this, you just cut this one in half like that, and we're going to put some glue just on this little portion of the bow ties and glue on those two sides together like so, and press it down. And then we're just going to put a little bit of glue at the top and then glue these two pieces together like so, and press those together. And then for some embellishments, I have some hearts to glue in the middle. And you can use a strip of paper if you wish, but I like to just glue like a flower or something for the middle. And give that some time to dry. And then here is your bow. Okay, and I'll share with you a lot of the bows that I've made. And that concludes this tutorial. Let's zoom out just a little bit more so you can see them all. So they are really, really cute and great for packaging or tags or cards or scrapbooks or whatever you want to do with them. So I hope you found this update to my tutorial helpful, and you like these bows a lot better than my original bow tutorial, and you found it a lot easier and helpful. So thank you so much for joining me. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.